BBQ sauce, legendary stuff. It's more than just a condiment, it's a culinary icon, a flavor-packed hero that's graced backyard grills and family tables for generations. Whether you're a seasoned pit master or just someone who loves a good meal, BBQ sauce has a way of bringing people together, sparking memories, and making every bite unforgettable. It transforms plain food into a feast, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, with just a drizzle or a brush. Imagine a simple piece of chicken or a humble veggie skewer, suddenly bursting with smoky, tangy, and sweet flavors that dance on your tongue. It's the star of every cookout, the secret to making grilled chicken or sausages truly sing. Friends gather, laughter fills the air, and the aroma of BBQ sauce sizzling on the grill is simply irresistible. From family picnics to late-night snacks, BBQ sauce is the go-to companion for so many delicious moments. It's the finishing touch that makes every meal feel special. Yet many think making BBQ sauce is a complicated, time-consuming ordeal, something best left to the experts or bought in a bottle. But here's the truth. Whipping up a fantastic BBQ sauce at home is easier than you think. In just 5 minutes, you can create a sauce that's bursting with fresh flavor and tailored to your taste. No fancy gadgets, no mysterious ingredients, just simple kitchen magic using what you already have. All you need is a bowl, a whisk, and a handful of pantry staples. Forget store-bought bottles full of unpronounceable things and preservatives. Why settle for something generic when you can make your own masterpiece? We're about to make a fresh, zesty sauce that's all your own. Customizable, vibrant, and made with love. You control the sweetness, the tang, and the heat. So grab your mixing bowl and whisk. Let's get started. In just a few minutes, you'll have a sauce that's perfect for dipping, brushing, or drizzling. In 5 minutes, you'll be a BBQ sauce connoisseur, ready to impress at any meal and share your delicious creation with friends and family. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the delicious world of homemade BBQ sauce, let's start by gathering everything we need. Having your tools and ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, so let's get organized. You don't need any fancy gadgets for this recipe, just a trusty mixing bowl and a whisk will do the trick. These simple tools are all you need to whip up a sauce that's bursting with flavor. Now, let's talk ingredients. For the sauce, you'll want ketchup, about a cup, which forms the rich, tangy base. Add in some brown sugar for that irresistible sweetness, a splash of apple cider vinegar for a bright, zesty tang, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika to bring in that signature BBQ smokiness. Don't forget the garlic powder and onion powder. These pantry staples add layers of savory depth and complexity to your sauce, making every bite more interesting. The apple cider vinegar is key for that tangy kick, balancing out the sweetness and giving your sauce a lively, mouth-watering flavor. Smoked paprika is what gives your BBQ sauce that classic smoky aroma and taste. Like it's been slow-cooked over a wood fire, even if you're just mixing it up in your kitchen. Garlic and onion powder are the secret weapons here, adding a savory backbone that ties all the flavors together and makes the sauce truly crave-worthy. And finally, a dash of Worcestershire sauce brings a deep, savory umami punch, rounding out the flavor profile and giving your sauce that extra something special. The best part? These are all common ingredients you probably already have in your pantry, making this recipe as convenient as it is tasty. No need to hunt for anything exotic or hard to find. So, line up your ingredients on the counter, take a moment to appreciate your soon-to-be sauce, and get ready for some kitchen fun. With everything in place, you're all set. Let's move on to the fun part, mixing it all together and watching the magic happen. Time for the magic. Let's make the sauce. Squeeze your ketchup into the bowl. Add brown sugar and vinegar. Whisk until smooth. Sprinkle in smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk again until everything's combined and glossy. Taste and adjust if needed. Maybe a bit more sugar or vinegar to suit your style. That's it. In under 5 minutes, you've made a rich, smoky, tangy BBQ sauce. No simmering, no waiting, just instant flavor. Admire your handiwork. Homemade BBQ sauce ready to go. Wasn't that easy? Why bother making your own? Simple. Control and flavor, right at your fingertips. You know exactly what's in it. No chemicals or hidden sugars, just honest ingredients you can trust. Freshly made sauce tastes brighter and more vibrant than anything you'll ever get from a bottle. It's cheaper, too. Basic ingredients cost less than store-bought sauce, saving you money every time. Plus, there's real pride in serving something homemade, crafted by your own hands. Your friends will be impressed, and you'll truly taste the difference in every bite. It's a small effort for a big, delicious reward that's worth every second. Here's where you get creative. Like it spicy? Add cayenne or hot sauce. Prefer it sweeter? Stir in honey or maple syrup. Want more smoke? Try a drop of liquid smoke or chipotle powder. Mustard or soy sauce can add tang or umami. Even a spoonful of fruit jam can give a unique twist. Experiment with small batches until you find your perfect blend. The possibilities are endless. Make it bold, make it mild, make it yours. Your sauce, your rules. Now, what to do with your masterpiece? You've crafted a BBQ sauce that's bursting with flavor, and now it's time to let it shine. Whether you're hosting a backyard cookout or just spicing up a weeknight dinner, this sauce is your new secret weapon. Brush it generously on chicken, ribs, or pork during the last minutes of grilling for a sticky, caramelized glaze that locks in juiciness and adds a smoky, sweet finish. The sugars in the sauce will bubble and brown, creating that irresistible barbecue crust everyone loves. Spoon it over burgers for an extra layer of zing and tang, transforming an ordinary patty into a flavor-packed sensation. Try mixing a little into your ground meat before forming patties for even more depth. It's a perfect dip for crispy nuggets, golden onion rings, or crunchy potato wedges. The rich, tangy sauce brings out the best in all your favorite snacks, making every bite more exciting. Stir a generous spoonful into baked beans for smoky depth and a touch of sweetness. It's a simple way to elevate a classic side dish and make it the star of your next meal. Mix with shredded chicken or pork for quick, mouth-watering sandwiches or tacos. The sauce keeps the meat moist and flavorful, perfect for piling high on buns or tucking into warm tortillas. Try it as a pizza base for BBQ chicken pizza. Swap out tomato sauce for BBQ. Add cooked chicken, red onions, and cheese, and bake until bubbly for a delicious twist on pizza night. Simmer meatballs in it for a hearty meal that's both comforting and packed with bold flavor. Serve them over rice, mashed potatoes, or even as a party appetizer. This sauce is endlessly versatile. Use it as a marinade, a glaze, a dip, or a finishing drizzle. There's no limit to the delicious dishes you can create. Let your creativity run wild and discover new ways to enjoy your super sauce. With every meal, you'll find another reason to reach for that jar. Let me tell you about Arthur, who once burned toast but saved his family's BBQ with this sauce. With shops closed, he remembered this quick recipe, mixed up the ingredients, and whisked with determination. The result? A smooth, fragrant sauce that wowed his family. They dipped, slathered, and declared it the best sauce ever. Arthur became the BBQ hero of the day. It just proves anyone can make kitchen magic with a simple recipe and a bit of courage. So go on, give it a try. You might just surprise yourself.